Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Indeed job search. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. And above you search about the application of Indeed job search. Here in this page, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we go to this window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.